Hey guys, this is Mark from Graphics Lab. This is still the same day the last video was uploaded. This video will show you how to apply the decals that you already have or maybe that you bought from me. So I hope the tips and tricks will be helpful. Alright guys, I am here today with,
Hi, I'm Vince.
this is Vince. What's your IG?
Vince underscore Neil, Neil.
For my 3 followers or 3 viewers who are watching this, follow him. So what we're going to do today is we're going to install his decals on the rear, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it, right? So first thing you want to do is clean it with alcohol, right? You got to make sure you clean it with alcohol so the adhesive would stick way better. All right, so now it's all clean. Let's go grab the decals. All right, so we have 2 set of decals that we're gonna put on his rig. You're gonna need some painter's tape just so we could mock it up. Oh, my bad. Just like that. We're just mocking it up right now, guys. So this is not the actual placement. And then you'll want to come right down to the middle and see if it's straight. So the top part needs to go to the right a little bit. The weak sauce has to go down on the right a little bit, on the right side. All right, so we're gonna start with the top one. This one right here. What you wanna do is put a couple of tapes on the top so it's gonna stay where it's supposed to stay. Take the ones on the side out. We're just gonna squeegee this down one more time. And then you're gonna grab the backing. Okay. So now we're taking out the backing. And then we're gonna slowly squeegee it down. I forgot to mention, if you don't have a squeegee, you could always use a credit card or your fingers. Side to side at like a 30 degree angle. Just like that. Now we can do the bottom one. Actually, I'll show you guys another way how to put decals on. If it's too wide, what you could do is you could just put tape down the middle. You just put 2. Just like that. And then you're gonna need a blade, which I got already. Just squeegee it down again. So you're gonna take the backing out. Take a little bit of the tape so it stays. Cut the backing. And then squeegee it again at a 30 degree angle. Now you're gonna take the tape off. Take the other side of the backing out. And then squeegee it down again. All right, guys, I forgot to mention, you're gonna need a heat gun or some sort of hair dryer because right now it is 51 degrees outside, and then for you to correctly apply some decals, it at least needs to be 70. All right, so just remember that. So we're gonna apply some heat. There it is. Let's do that to the top. Boom. That's that. That's how you install decals. Check that out. It looks sick though. On this side, because the light is right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sick. It's low-key, but not low-key.
Yeah.
All right, so we just installed these front decals too for a banner and then a lower banner one. And it looks sick, guys. It's late at night already. You can't really see it, but it's back here. You know, he's repping the Graphics Lab sticker. Thank you, Vince, for repping the Graphics Lab sticker. Thank you very much.
It looks sick. Appreciate it.
Thank you, thank you. Appreciate you. Look at this rig, guys. You're probably going to see more of this.
Just starting. Still got a lot of ways to go.
What was that?
It's just starting. Still got a lot of ways to go.
You heard that, guys. He's just starting, so. Yeah. Thanks, Vince. Vince is actually one of like my closest homies, so and he lives down the street. But yeah, that's how you install some decals, guys. See you guys later.